Hey guys, Joe, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna be playing bike race. It's not like a racing game. It's like basically it's like you try to do like tricks and stuff. Like you can do like backflips and stuff. And if you touch something with your head, you die. So I'm trying not to touch anything with my head, so I die. They're pretty good there. Oh. Nah, idiot. Made the same mistake that I did. One crash down. I'm not gonna press that. I'm just gonna go back here. Just single player. Because I like single player more. Single player. Because I have like up to past the Antarctica to the sand dunes. I mean, this level's really hard because like it's like you have to like go like as fast as you can, but it doesn't give you enough space to I mean I like the obstacle. It's like really hard. So man, yes, did it. These are the pretty easy. Now, here's the hard part. Here's the hard part. I did it! Wait. Spin. Stop. Ooh, got 50%. No. I just want to get to gameplay. So that's what I'm really all about. And I died. Great. Right when I was having my speech. This is hard. Actually, I mean, like, it's actually not that hard. Oh, no. Points. Wow. Great. For video. Oh my god. I know how to drive the thing. I don't freaking know how to, like, how. I did it before, so I can't say I don't know how. Boy. How did that happen? Oh, wow. That was all on me. That was totally on me. Oh, wow. Dude, that was on the game. Did you see my head go first? Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Great, I just died. Sorry about that. Great. Did you see me just hook onto it? Just great. See, I hate these games where you have to be ready for all these courses. You have to stop yourself from getting to gameplay. You have to look at all these stupid ads. It's just not me. I just like playing video games. Best Buy Street. Oh my god. Don't break. I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one. This is it. Yes. This is definitely the one that Oh. Yeah. About that. This has to be the one. This has to be. Great. And it's not my tires. My tire's just locked. Great, I'm gonna die. Wall flip. Alright, so you guys, if I die one more time, I'm ending the video. Because this game sucks. And so, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, because this game sucks.